Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm Bamsi. Today we are kicking things off with an epic unboxing. First look review of a product every driver should seriously consider. The NOCO Boost Air AX65, because this isn't just a jump starter. It's a jump starter, air compressor, power bank and a flashlight all in one. So the one that I'm reviewing today is for all diesel vehicles. Alright, so let's crack on and open this box. Inside you'll actually find the NOCO Boost Air AX65 itself. Compact, built, solid. So let's open it now. So also you will find an integrated 3-foot bladed inflation hose, heavy due to precision battery clamps, USB-C charging cable, compressor valve adapter for bikes, needle adapter, toy adapter, microfiber storage bag, user manual, and a 1-year warranty. Nice. So let's open this up. The best part about unboxing is when it feels so satisfying. So here is a pouch so you can store it in so it doesn't get damaged. And here are the cables for the battery on your vehicle, for your diesel vehicle. You also can get this in a petrol, for a petrol vehicle too. Over here we've got the charger, USB-C. Now time for the actual product. Now here is the actual product, and be careful if you ever buy this, and hope you will. It will be so heavy that you'll be like, why did I even buy this? But it is a good investment. Even I'm struggling to hold it. It's bigger than my head looks. Bigger than my head. So here is the actual product. Just looking at the A665, you can tell it's built tough. The casing feels rigid and it's not too bulky. It weighs about 3.15 kg, so you can stash it in your boot without eating up all your space. So this is the air compressor side, which runs along the side, so you can take off the wire and use it any time. The AX65 has a 22 amp air compressor capable of delivering up to 100 psi and 67 liters per minute airflow, which means it can inflate a tire from 0 to 40 psi just in around 2 damn minutes. Let me just say that again, 0 to proper tire pressure in about 2 minutes. No more waiting ages or just using your lungs. Now I will show you how to assemble the battery pack onto this big boy. So over here we've got the two positive and the negative. So what we want to do to install it, we have to find a little rubbery thing where you can open it. Let's just move this out of the way. Then over here, open this one. So the one that's on the right, not this one, but this one. You want to find this. And then what you want to do, so you can connect it, is find these two sockets, so you can just straight away plug it in. So let's get our two battery wires, and let's now plug it in. Okay, at last I've managed to fit it in. And then, so let's say for example you've got it on and you're battery of your vehicle, for your diesel vehicle, has stopped working, then you can put straight away the red one and the black one onto your car battery, and then it will start to give the battery to your car. So this is why this thing is so good. Now here is the big number: 200 amps of peak jump starting power. That's enough to jump start petrol engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters. Cars, SUVs, vans, bikes, boats, or you name it. And this specific one is for a diesel engine up to 6 liters. So this is why you can buy this, and it will be efficient for your SUVs, vans, and your buses. Wait, but just don't stop there. You can also have a light on this, and the light of the flashlight is a 100 lumen LED flashlight with different modes. Now let's turn on this big, whatever you want to call it. Now let's turn it on. So the way we turn it on, we should see a button here, so let's turn it on as soon as possible. Okay, now that it's on, I will now show you the flashlight. So here is the flashlight, and we will press a magic button. So this is how bright it will go. So let me just show you in a dark room. So this is how bright the flashlight is, just in case you need any help or you need to see during the night. So if you want to set up your air pressure, so what you want to do when you turn the thing on is you press this button air, and it will show you over here how many PSIs you want. So you can choose between 15, or you can increase it as what you need to do for your vehicle. But this thing is so powerful that it started even blowing me away when I accidentally turned it on. So yeah, so when you press this air button again, once you've got your set PSI, it will turn on and it will pump your air. And in this video I will not show how to use it, as we won't have enough time to show. Let's now look at the pros and cons of this mega machine. So the pros are, it has a huge jump start power, fast tire inflation, it has smart pressure accuracy, works as a power bank sometimes, and a built-in flashlight is portable and low. But here are the main cons. It is heavier than tiny jump starters, pricey compared to basic inflators. You can't run jump starters and compressor at the same time safely. So who is this for? So this machine is for daily drivers, road trip lovers, and off-roaders. Anyone who wants a peace of mind on their road. It's the kind of gadget you don't think you don't need, but until you really need it. Overall, the NOCO Boost Air AX65 is a premium all-in-one tool that delivers on performance, ease of use, and versatility. Whether you're jump starting a dead battery, pumping up your tires, charging devices, or lighting up in the dark, it's got you definitely covered, bro. So if you enjoyed this unboxing video, hit that like button and subscribe, and tell me what you want to see me try next. And if you want to see me use this in real time, then comment down below and make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to check the product here in the description down below. It's very pricey, but it is worth the while, and then you don't have to waste your money every month on getting a recovery. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.